Good morning, everyone. I'm Aparna Tharani, and I'm an expert tutor and mentor for the ACCA subjects of Financial Management and Performance Management with AKs Training Academy Pune. I'm very happy to have you all here as we begin our focused revision lectures or the focused revision journey for the financial management paper. I am conducting these revision lectures with the help of Kaplan tutor slides, as I have used Kaplan study material during my lectures. Please remember the revision sheet series is just an overview of the syllabus to highlight some key aspects and to familiarize you with certain exam focused points. I will be happy to share my FM lecture series too, where the syllabus has been covered in a greater depth along with extensive practice of section 3 questions, wherein I have also discussed the marking scheme. I have spoken about, what is it that the examiner really wants to see from an FM section C answer and so on and so forth. Now, my lecture series has been structured into two parts so that I do justice to the different areas of the syllabus and also help you consolidate your understanding more efficiently. The part A of my or part one of my revision series is going to focus on core topics such as investment appraisal and working capital management, which as a student of FM, you must already be familiar that volume wise, they almost cover 50% of the syllabus. So if you consider the number of chapters or the volume per se, investment appraisal and working capital is almost half of your study material or textbook. The second part of my revision series deals into more advanced areas like cost of capital, business valuation, and risk management. I'm also going to be posting a series of videos which are going to talk about how to tackle a section C question, how to focus on time management, the in-depth marking scheme, and how to do justice to the number of marks that have been allotted to the question, and so on and so forth. These sections are designed not only to refresh the concepts, but also to sharpen your exam technique. And hopefully that should lead to boosting your confidence and highlighting some common pitfalls which students should avoid while taking the FM paper. I strongly recommend that you take notes during this revision session because one common area or issue which FM students always come up to me and ask me is FM theory is too much, ma'am. How do we tackle the FM theory part of it? So during my revision series, I have highlighted in pockets wherein which part of the FM theory should you focus on, or which part of the FM theory you should prepare your own notes and at least be prepared with the skeleton answer, so that if a question of similar similar syllabus area gets asked, you are more prepared to answer such a question. Now, this is based on my experience in the past after reading so many answer scripts of students. These are the common areas where students typically struggle to put their thoughts together and come up with a complete answer. Right. Stay engaged, take notes, and of course, feel free to drop in any questions in the exam in the comment section. I'm sorry, and I'll be happy to reply to you all as soon as possible. Right. So let's work together to ensure that you are exam ready and confident. Yeah. So please continue to the part one of the revision lectures. Thank you.